This video includes an overview of how to assemble Napoleon's electric freestanding heater. To begin the assembly of the freestanding electric heater, locate the base and place it on the ground with the tracks facing upward. Install all 4 adjustable feet into the corners of the tracks, leaving some of the threads exposed in case further adjustment is needed once the appliance is in its final location. Once the feet are installed, flip the base over so the feet are resting on the ground. Next, locate the right-hand side post, long hex pan head screws, and lock washers. Place the post on the right-hand side of the base, ensuring the notches and CSA warning label are located on the innermost side. Place the lock washers over the long hex pan head screws and use the hex wrench to carefully install them on either side of the post to secure it in place without scratching it. Repeat these steps for the left-hand side to finish the base sub-assembly. Locate the base cover and place it over the base sub-assembly with the notch in the cover placed around the wheel location. Now turn the sub-assembly on its side and locate 2 small flat washers and 2 truss head screws. Place the screw through the washer and use them to secure the base cover in place, being careful not to over-tighten them. Flip the sub-assembly over again and locate the wheels, lock washers, flat washers, and pan head screws. Place the pan head screws through the lock washer, followed by the flat washer. Secure the wheels on the sub-assembly, ensuring the open end of the securing bracket is facing the bottom of the base. Now stand up the sub-assembly and ensure the wheels are facing the back, then locate the branded front panel. Set the panel between the side posts, ensuring the Napoleon logo is at the top and the base is set into the retaining area, with the top flush to the side posts. Locate the 6 small pan head screws and use them to secure the panel in place down the inside. Next, turn the sub-assembly around and install the heater arm assembly onto it, with the heating element folded in and facing the same side as the wheels. Locate 4 wide pan head screws and use them to secure the heater arm assembly in place on the inside of the post. The lower access panel can then be installed with the notch at the bottom for the power cord to exit near the base. To secure the panel in place, rotate the screw at the top clockwise. This panel can also be removed by turning the screw counterclockwise to store the power cord when the heater is not in use. Lastly, install the visor at the top of the heater arm assembly. Ensure it is facing the same direction as the heating element when the arm is folded inward. Locate the 4 longer pan head screws and use them to secure the visor in place on both sides of the heater arm assembly. Assembly of the heater is now complete, and it can be used as designed to enhance your outdoor space.